What is up, XRP community, and welcome back to a video. My voice is kind of lost right now, so I apologize if it sounds a bit raspy. Big lawsuit information. There's been a lot of negative news coming out, but I also have some positive news in this video. New Ripple clients, and then the switch being flipped. All right, I'll show you a clip and you deduce what you want from that. It's November 7th, Monday. XRP is currently trading at about 47 cents per coin. And look at worldwide how much XRP is being sent every second. Okay, this is a cool website. XRP absorbs 1.1 million in fund inflows as investors bet on the Ripple side. All right, there have been a lot of buy orders for XRP and Ripple. As we saw last week, a total of 12 amicus briefs, 12 independent parties backing Ripple in the lawsuit, which is good to see. We're seeing the entire crypto environment rally behind XRP and Ripple, including Coinbase, the people who delisted XRP. The SEC won a pivotal lawsuit, guys, and this is not great news, but it's important we talk about this. LBRY, a decentralized publishing company, came out with a token years ago, and they were in a lawsuit about an unregistered securities offering. Very similar, the same offense that they are claiming Ripple has committed, and the SEC took a massive win here. A New Hampshire district court ruled against the decentralized publishing platform LBRY in a legal battle with the SEC. The court found that LBRY's LBC token was an investment contract, even though the project did not sell it via an ICO. The decision is a major blow to crypto issuers, many of whom have argued that the SEC is pursuing a course of regulation by enforcement. What the evidence in the record discloses is that LBRY promoted LBC as an investment that would grow in value over time through the company's development of the LBRY network. And guys, look at this chart of the US dollar. Ever since we've been taken off the gold standard for the past century, the purchasing power has gone down. Eventually, the US dollar will be at zero. It's already very close. Why would you hold tons of dollars in a bank account when you're being robbed daily by the Federal Reserve? I think this chart is extremely telling. And now I have a ton of lawsuit news. Let's just hop right through it. Let me pull up my Twitter. Boom. Okay, so check this out. Saudi British Bank, SABB, launches instant cross-border transfer service for US corridor powered by Ripple. In this LBRY lawsuit that the SEC won today, it is not great, but what they determined is that at the time that LBRY sold their token, there was no utility. Keep in mind, guys, when Ripple initially sold XRP, there was no utility. Now, on-demand liquidity is a very popular product. XRP has massive utility. However, when XRP came out, there was no utility. We see headlines like this all the time. Banks launching cross-border transfer services powered by Ripple. So the question cannot be argued whether there is utility now. But what's important is that there was no utility when it came out, and that could be detrimental. In the long term, I have no doubts about XRP, but in the short term, there could be some rough waters. Check this out. The UK Prime Minister running off the stage, out of the room at the United Nations Summit in Egypt. What do you think is happening? He's not just walking, he's running. Reminds me of the George Bush 9/11 days. And guys, check this out. You have people saying you can definitely write off an XRP settlement out. This is all the SEC needs to take it all away, like it or not. I don't agree with this. I still think a settlement is probable, but I don't think XRP and Ripple outright win this case. Okay? There's a lot of bearish news coming out. See this, the Department of Justice seized $3 billion in Bitcoin in connection with the Silk Road fraud, the largest crypto seizure ever. Big questions are being asked. What is the Department of Justice going to do with $3 billion in Bitcoin? They could absolutely decimate the price, but that is pure speculation. I don't know what will happen. If you guys want to support the channel, hit the like button. Make these videos for free, and it helps the channel a lot. So thank you in advance for hitting that like button. This guy says, I still believe XRP will win the lawsuit. The LBRY loss today will make the case 10 times more explosive when they win. I don't want to be unrealistic with you guys. This is not great for the Ripple lawsuit, but long term, I still believe in the product that is on-demand liquidity. Okay, CEO of LBRY told Fox Business, the SEC versus the LBRY case established a precedent that threatens the entire U.S. cryptocurrency industry. But I don't want you to be too scared. I want to play this clip of Brad Garlinghouse and just remember what the truth really is.
Brad, tell me here then, where does this go? I mean, let's have a look at just effectively what we have. We've got so many cryptocurrencies out there. You're one of the front runners, but the thing is, are there too many of you guys?
Actually, I agree with you. I think there are too many. There are around 3,000 different digital assets that trade on a daily basis now. I think, anytime there's a new market, there's a lot of people that run into that market and try to show that they can solve a problem, they can deliver a customer need. I have said publicly before that I think 99% of all crypto probably goes to zero. But there is that 1% where I think that is focused on solving a real problem for real customers and is able to do that at scale. And that's going to be game-changing. And I think that's going to continue to grow significantly in the decades ahead.
I've said this many times before. The past 2 years have been crazy between the meme coins and NFTs, but most crypto will go to zero. The crypto that will elevate, that will pass the test of time, these will be cryptocurrencies that have utility. Ask yourself when you buy a token, what problem does this token solve? And if it doesn't solve a problem with a lot of people that it's going to affect, it's probably not a great token to buy. In the case of XRP, it solves having to wait 3 days for a payment, having to pay a lot of money in transaction fees. XRP's use case cannot be argued. Fast, cheap payments. John Deaton, an XRP lawyer, the leader of the class action lawsuit of 75,000 XRP holders, says, this unfortunately is a total win for the SEC, as the judge does not distinguish between secondary market sales of LBRY or future sales versus past sales. Get ready to barf with Gary Gensler and the SEC using this case as an example to move forward against crypto. And guys, it's not just XRP that could be in trouble. With this precedent, it sets a very slippery slope, and the door is open now for Gary Gensler to attack Ethereum, Cardano. Any major cryptocurrency essentially could be bucketed under this argument. I don't know what the future holds, but we'll just have to wait and see. If you guys are new, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. And not much is free in life, let alone money, but you can get up to 12 free stocks. Minimum guaranteed value from $41 up to $15,000. Open an account with Webull, deposit a penny. After you make that deposit, you'll get your free stocks. For a penny deposit, you get guaranteed $41. Pretty cool stuff. Sell the stock, invest it, buy McDonald's, buy more crypto. I don't care what you do with it, but get your free stocks while you can. Links in the video description below. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday. Until next time.